Good morning, welcome back to the saw shop. So we got this 034 AV broke down here. We've got the time wheel set up on it, and I went ahead and timed it out and gonna come in and talk to you a little bit about our porting plans, what the timing is, and just go from there. All right, so first thing we have a exhaust roof of 105, 150 degrees of duration. We've got an intake of 110 at the bottom dead center, 140 degrees of duration. The squish on this saw, my solder's 40 thousandths and it wouldn't touch it, so it's somewhere over 40. And the blowdown's 20 degrees. So I know right off, I hadn't even checked to see, but I don't know if it's even got a, it does not have a base gasket in it, so we will definitely be decking the base of the bottom of the cylinder head. We'll take some off of that. We got to bring that squish down to get it to where to run properly. You know, I mean, it runs now, but to really get performance and get the compression up. So we'll be dropping the cylinder head, and when we do that, depending on how much we take off of here, or depending on how much I need to take off the intake side and the exhaust side. But as it currently sits, we got to take a pretty good bit of metal off of the exhaust and the intake. So when I drop this down, the intake's got to come even further down. The exhaust has got to go even further up, and I may not have to take quite as much off the intake as previously thought. But like right now, as it sits, we're talking about 7 or 8 degrees off the intake. So once we drop this down enough to get a good squish like we want, we might only be taking 5 degrees off the bottom of the intake. But then that means we're going to take, right now we'd take about 5 off the exhaust roof, but if we drop it down, we're going to probably take about 7 off the exhaust roof, because I'm looking for 160 duration on top, about 155 duration on the intake. The blowdown's 20 degrees, so if once I take some off the top, that's going to take care of the blowdown number that I'm looking for, about 25. So I'll just polish up the upper transfers, maybe widen them just a little bit, but I'm not gonna raise them any. But all right, and then we'll do a pretty good bit of work in the lower transfers as well while we got it apart. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing torn on apart and kind of get into what we're gonna have to do here, figure out exactly where I'm gonna go, and I'll bring you back when it's time to test fire and we'll talk about what we did. All right, have a good one.